Lumens, we make your job easier. How to use Lumens OBS Plugin to control IP cameras on OBS. Step 1. Preparations. Step 2. OBS Plugin installation and configuration. Step 3. OBS Plugin operation. Equipment requirements. OBS software. The version needs to be 26.1 or greater. Lumens PTZ IP cameras and Windows or Mac OS computer. Search and download the OBS plugin installation file from the Lumens website. Click the downloaded OBS plugin installation file to install. Click the OBS icon to open the OBS software, then click Tools and select Lumens OBS Plugin to run the Lumens OBS Camera controller. Click Settings and select Camera Assign. Click Search and then click the IP address of the camera you want to add. After selecting the camera, click Apply. In the Select Camera section, click the camera number you want to control. Then, click the Camera Control button to control the camera. Visit Lumens' website or scan the QR code to get Lumens technical support. We're always there for you. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.